Hi, this is Carla Kuiper, Director of Technology Integration for East Baton Rouge Parish Schools, and welcome to Tech in 2. If you've got 2 minutes, you've got time to learn something new about technology. In this tip, I'm going to show you how you can allow people to make copies of a Google Doc just by making a simple change in the link that you share with people. This is a great feature when you want to allow colleagues to create personal copies of your files so that they can make their own adjustments. To create a link that allows your colleagues to make copies, open the document from Google Drive, go to the end of the hyperlink, highlight it. Notice that I've got everything after the last slash that says edit, highlight it, and change it to the word copy. Be sure when you share the link that the document is shared so that anyone with the link can view it. And I'll demonstrate. I'll highlight this link, copy it, I'll go to a different account, paste the link, and as you can see, Google Drive is now prompting me to make my own copy. So I'll make a copy by hitting the blue button, and now I can work on a copy of the original document. And that's it. That's all there is to creating a link that allows your colleagues to make copies of your Google Docs, sheets, slides, and drawings. If you like this technology tip and you want more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.